Welcome to Mind, Body, and Balance. Today, we're tackling a topic that affects millions of people: anxiety. Feeling anxious occasionally is normal, but when it starts to interfere with your daily life, it's time to take action. We often focus on external stressors, but what we put into our bodies plays a critical role in managing anxiety. Certain vitamins and nutrients can significantly impact your mood and help restore a sense of calm. In this video, we'll explore the top 6 vitamins and nutrients that can help you naturally combat anxiety and regain control over your well-being. Let's get started. First up is a vitamin that's absolutely crucial for a calm and balanced mood: vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. Now you might be thinking, what does vitamin B1 have to do with my anxiety? Well, let me tell you, the connection is stronger than you might think. Vitamin B1 plays a vital role in how your body, especially your brain, handles stress. When you're stressed or anxious, your body goes into overdrive, and it needs B1 to produce the energy it needs to cope. Unfortunately, many people who struggle with anxiety are deficient in this essential nutrient. Think about it. Our modern lifestyles often involve consuming processed foods, sugary drinks, and caffeine, all of which deplete your body's B1 stores. It's like running a car on fumes. Eventually, it's going to sputter and stall. The good news is that boosting your B1 levels is easier than you might think. One of my favorite ways to do this is by incorporating nutritional yeast into your diet. Just 2 to 3 tablespoons of unfortified nutritional yeast daily can make a world of difference. You can sprinkle it on salads, stir it into soups or stews, or even add it to your morning yogurt. The best part? Many people notice a difference in their anxiety levels within minutes of consuming nutritional yeast. It's like a little burst of sunshine for your brain. Of course, nutritional yeast isn't the only source of B1. Other fantastic sources include sunflower seeds, a great on-the-go snack, as well as organic pork, pasture-raised eggs, and wild fish. So make sure you're including a variety of these B1-rich foods in your diet to keep your anxiety at bay. Let's talk about your gut, which plays a significant role in your mental health. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, both good and bad. Good bacteria, your probiotics, are your best friends for anxiety. These friendly microbes do more than just digest your food. They produce essential B vitamins like B1, B2, and B12, crucial for a stable mood. Think of them as tiny factories in your gut, churning out mood-boosting vitamins. Modern lifestyles often wreak havoc on our gut microbiome. Antibiotics and artificial sweeteners can wipe out beneficial bacteria, causing imbalance. When your gut is out of whack, your mental health often follows suit. So, how can you restore balance and promote a healthy gut microbiome? It starts with your diet. Fermented foods are your secret weapon. Sauerkraut, kimchi, and pickles are teeming with probiotics. Also, get plenty of soluble fiber from chia seeds, avocados, and asparagus. Soluble fiber acts like a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial bacteria. Consider adding a high-quality probiotic supplement to your routine. Remember, a happy gut translates to a happier, calmer you. We all know that sunshine boosts our mood, but did you know there's a scientific reason behind it? Sunlight triggers the production of vitamin D in our bodies, a crucial nutrient that plays a surprising role in managing anxiety. You see, when we're anxious, our bodies often pump out cortisol, the stress hormone. While some cortisol is normal and even helpful, chronically elevated levels can leave us feeling wired, tired, and prone to overthinking, a recipe for disaster when it comes to anxiety. This is where vitamin D steps in like a superhero. Vitamin D helps to regulate cortisol levels, bringing them back into balance and promoting a sense of relaxation. It's like turning down the volume on your stress response, allowing you to think more clearly and feel calmer. Unfortunately, vitamin D deficiency is a widespread problem, affecting billions of people worldwide. Our indoor lifestyles, combined with the use of sunscreen, which, while important for skin protection, can block vitamin D production, have contributed to this epidemic. The good news is that addressing a vitamin D deficiency is simple. I recommend taking a daily supplement of 10,000 IU of vitamin D3 along with 100 micrograms of K2. Vitamin K2 helps ensure that the calcium your body absorbs is directed to the right places, like your bones, and not deposited in your arteries. This powerful duo can make a world of difference in how you feel. By optimizing your vitamin D levels, You're giving your body the tools it needs to manage stress hormones effectively and promote a sense of calm and well-being. So, let the sunshine in, both literally and figuratively, and watch your anxiety melt away. Let's talk about two essential minerals for anxiety: magnesium and potassium. These minerals are the unsung heroes of a calm and focused mind. They support your nervous system, regulate mood, and promote relaxation. Magnesium is your body's natural chill pill. It calms nerve activity and prevents overexcitation. Potassium acts as a natural mood stabilizer. It regulates electrolyte balance, crucial for nerve function. Many of us aren't getting enough of these minerals through our diets. Boosting your intake is easy and delicious. Avocados are a fantastic source of both magnesium and potassium. Leafy greens like kale and broccoli are also excellent choices. Incorporate an electrolyte powder with potassium and magnesium into your routine. Prioritizing these minerals supports a calm, focused, and resilient mind. Let's be honest, many of us reach for a cup of coffee when we're feeling stressed or anxious. But here's the thing: caffeine can actually worsen anxiety in the long run. It disrupts sleep, increases cortisol levels, and can even trigger panic attacks in those who are sensitive to it. So, what's a better alternative? Herbal teas, my friends, are where it's at. And when it comes to calming anxiety, passion flower tea deserves a standing ovation. Passion flower tea has been used for centuries for its calming and sedative effects. It works by boosting GABA, gamma-aminobutyric acid, levels in the brain. GABA is a neurotransmitter that acts as a natural brake pedal for your nervous system, promoting relaxation and reducing feelings of anxiety. Studies have shown that passion flower tea can be as effective as certain tranquilizer medications, like oxazepam, but without the unwanted side effects. It's a natural and gentle way to calm your mind and body without feeling drowsy or impaired. One of the best times to enjoy a cup of passion flower tea is in the evening. It can help to ease tension, quiet racing thoughts, and promote restful sleep. Simply steep 1 tablespoon of dried passion flower in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes and savor the calming aroma and soothing effects. If you're looking for a delicious and natural way to unwind after a long day or ease anxiety before a stressful event, look no further than passion flower tea. It's a gift from nature that can help you find your calm amidst the chaos of daily life. Finally, let's talk about an ancient medicinal herb that's gaining well-deserved popularity for its incredible ability to combat stress and anxiety. Ashwagandha. This powerful adaptogen has been used for over 3,000 years in Ayurvedic medicine, and modern science is finally catching on to its remarkable benefits. But what exactly is an adaptogen? Adaptogens are a unique group of herbs that help your body adapt to stress more effectively. They work by modulating your body's stress response system, bringing it back into balance and improving your resilience to both physical and mental stressors. Ashwagandha, in particular, excels at reducing cortisol levels, that pesky stress hormone that can wreak havoc on your mood, sleep, and overall well-being. It does this by regulating the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal HPA axis, which is essentially the command center for your stress response. One of the key active compounds in ashwagandha is called withanolides. These powerful compounds have been shown to lower cortisol levels, balance blood sugar, and even reduce inflammation throughout the body. The result? You feel calmer, more centered, and better equipped to handle whatever life throws your way. I recommend taking around 1,200 milligrams of ashwagandha extract daily, divided into 2 doses. You can find it in capsule, powder, or even gummy form. It's important to note that ashwagandha can take a few weeks of consistent use to experience its full effects, so be patient and give it time to work its magic. Ashwagandha is a true gift from nature, offering a gentle yet powerful way to restore balance, reduce stress, and reclaim your inner peace. If you're looking for a natural ally in the fight against anxiety, ashwagandha is definitely worth exploring. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey to understand how vitamins and nutrients can help combat anxiety. Remember, true well-being starts from within. By nourishing your body with the right nutrients, you're giving yourself the best chance to thrive, both mentally and physically. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. I'm here to support you on your journey to a healthier, happier, and more balanced you. Until next time, take care and keep those good vibes flowing.